Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how you can install Microsoft SQL Server on your Windows 11 operating system along with the SQL Server Management Studio. We will start from this URL. I'm going to put all these links in the description of this video. Here you will find all the capabilities and details of SQL Server 2022 version. Now we can click on try now. Here you will find three options for running SQL Server. Scroll down in the page a little bit and you will find two options for obtaining a free edition that you can install on your computer. So here we have two download options. One is developer and another one is express. And the developer edition is good for the development and test environment, while express edition is good for production environment. I will go ahead and click on download now button for the express edition, and this will download the installer file. Click on the file. Here we have three options for the type of installation that we want to perform. The first one is a basic installation, is perfect for giving us a standard installation of SQL Server without us having to make a bunch of choices. The second option is if you want to have full control over specific features, then go for it. And the third option we have here, the useful if you want to install SQL Server on a lot of different computers. You can download the installation media which you can then copy into a USB drive for later use. I'm just going to click on the basic option. First I need to accept the license agreement and choose the installation location. I will go for default location and go ahead and press install button. Now the process will take a bit of time to download all the installation files and setting everything up. Alright, everything finish up and we are good to go. This page lists out some file paths and user account information that you might want to write down for later purpose. Now before we close the installer, look at the buttons at the bottom of the screen. Press the connect now. This will open the command line interface using a program called SQL command. This is where we can begin issuing commands to the SQL Server using transact SQL. It will automatically run one for us. This one up here is a very top, says select edit version. Go. This returns the version information about our server and it confirms that we are running SQL Server 2022 instance. At the command prompt, you can send a command to list the databases currently on the server. Go ahead and type sp underscore databases. Press enter. On line number 2, type go. You will get list of all databases that exist on our server right now. We have 4 default databases: master, model, MSDB and TempDB. These 4 databases are used by SQL Server for managing information about the personal databases soon be adding to the server. This is how command line interface look like. You can go ahead and close the window. That interface is not the most user friendly, so we will want to install SQL Server Management Studio to provide a graphical user interface. There is a button on the install to install SSMS. When you click on it, it will open a web page in the background and that allows us to download the software. Scroll down on this page to find the download section for maximum compatibility with the SQL Server 2022. Get SSMS version 19 or higher. Go ahead and click on the link, and that will download another installer file into our system. When that's done downloading, click on open file to start it up. The installation of SSMS is even easier than installing SQL Server. Here it tells us the location where the files will be installed, and all we need to do is press the install button. This will take a minute to download the packages and install the software. We all set. I will go ahead and press the close button, and we are done installing Management Studio. Now click on Windows and type SSMS. Now you can see SQL Server Management Studio 19. Just click on open it. And this is our server name, and this is my username, and click on connect. So here you can see all the databases has been listed down here, and you can click on new query and we can write whatever the queries we would like to perform. That's all about this video. I hope that this video is helpful to you. If it was, make sure leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in another YouTube video.